In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a line and a signature line in Google Docs. Let's dive straight in with the first step, which is opening up your web browser. Now, you'll want to head over to google.com. This is where we'll start by signing into your Google account, so click on the sign in option available on the page. Next, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've done that, click Next. Now it's time to enter your password. Again, make sure it's entered properly and then go ahead and click Next to proceed beyond the login phase. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right corner of the page. There's a small box or grid icon which you'll need to click on. This opens up a menu of Google Apps, and from here you should choose Google Docs to proceed. With Google Docs open, face your attention to the task of drawing the lines. Begin by clicking on the Insert menu at the top of the page. This is your primary navigation tool for adding various elements to your document. Here, you will find a drawing option to click on and subsequently select New to create a fresh drawing canvas. On this newly opened drawing layer, search for the Line tool in the drawing menu. Clicking on this will drop down a selection and you'll want to choose Line. By doing this, you can now draw your desired line on the canvas. Click, hold, and drag with your mouse to make this line appear. To add a signature line, we'll need to add a text box first. So click on the text box icon within the same drawing menu. A rectangular box will appear. Here, you should write the name that will accompany your signature line, serving as an identifier. Now, going back to the line tool, click to see a few more options again. This time, choose Scribble from the selection to access freehand drawing. You can use this to draw your signature directly into the document. Take your time to neatly scribble it as you see fit. Once your line and signature are done, you need to wrap things up by saving your work. Click on the Save and Close button. This action inserts your drawing and signature into your Google Doc. Remember, you can always adjust or edit them later if necessary by clicking on the drawing. With these steps completed, you have successfully drawn a line and added a signature line in Google Docs. Use this new skill to format your documents professionally. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.